In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kajabi with PayPal for an easy integration. Whether you're setting up for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to sign into your Kajabi account. If you haven't already, head over to Kajabi's website and log in with your credentials. Once signed in, your dashboard will be the first thing you see. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Settings tab. The Settings option can be found on the left-hand side of the screen, so click on that once you've located it. Next, after you've entered the Settings menu, look for the Payment Integration section. Click on it to open the options available for integrating different payment methods. This is where the magic happens, as it's essential for processing your transactions smoothly. In the payment integration menu, you'll notice multiple options available. What we want is PayPal, so go ahead and click on PayPal, and then you'll see the Connect button. Click on Connect to move forward with the process. This will initiate the connection between Kajabi and your PayPal account. At this point, you'll be prompted to provide information for your PayPal account. Specifically, you'll need to enter your PayPal account email. It's important to ensure that the email address you enter is accurate and active, as this is how your Kajabi account will communicate with PayPal for transactions. Now, there are two crucial pieces of information needed: the client ID and secret. For this, we'll need to quickly jump over to your PayPal account. So let's head over there now. Once on PayPal, go to your profile, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll then click on your dashboard to access additional functions. Inside your PayPal account's dashboard, you'll need to change the environment from Sandbox to Live if it isn't already set. This ensures that the transactions processed are real and not just tests. After that, go ahead and click on Create App. Here, you'll be asked to type in an app name. Once you've entered a name, click Create App. Once your app is created, you'll be provided with a client ID and secret. Copy these details carefully, as they are essential for the integration with Kajabi. Now head back to your Kajabi account where you left off and paste the client ID and secret into their respective fields in the PayPal integration section on Kajabi. And there you have it. Your Kajabi account is now successfully integrated with PayPal. This setup will enable seamless transactions and enhance your functionality within the platform. Congratulations on completing the integration, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need a reminder in the future.